So I've just arrived at my work, the building I own. After Harvey, we've been out of town for a couple days because of the hurricane. And so this is one of the things we're greeted with. The tree that I never really liked, kind of almost weak, has come down. It looks like it's done a little damage to this, but not nearly as much as I thought could have happened from a hurricane, of course. Our neighbor, they look like their whole fence came tumbling down. So that's down, but ours, in this front, has the tree down. We're gonna run back and see what's there, and I assume our electricity's off, but we don't know. But in our street, you can see one of the most obvious thing is the gas station down the block has a full front roof over the gas pumps is down. Just hanging there now, the light pieces right here. What do we got here? Is that from my house or is that somewhere else? That doesn't... Yeah, I don't recognize a piece like that. I don't know. It's like a flashing for something. Yeah, I can't tell where that's from. Okay. One of their, okay, the neighbors, fence, like, that was their fence. Yes, it's all down. And then this piece of metal. We have no idea where that's from either. There's a lot of branches, fences down, but so far, yeah, oh my God, yes. It doesn't look terrible compared to what could happen to a hurricane. Oh, there, what could happen? Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna check inside. No lights coming on yet. So no electricity. It's dark in here. Yeah, doesn't look too bad. I don't see any rain or anything like that coming in. Sorry, you guys can't really see because of the darkness. No lights. Or fish, don't have any. What's that? Well, I think they must have tried the attic, because that's from the attic. Okay. It looks okay.